Benue women, Benue men, I can't hear your voice. PDP! PDP! Power to the people! God bless you all. God bless you. Now listen to me very, very carefully. First of all, on behalf of myself, the People's Democratic Party, we want to extend our condolences and sympathies to the families and loved ones who have lost their lives in the last 7 to 8 years in Benue State. Secondly, as Zegemule Uti, I am the umbrella of Tiv people all over the world. I promise you, if you elect me as your president, just like I did in 2001, I came to Benue and made the Fulanis to sign a peace accord with their brother Tivs. I will come and make sure peace returns to Benue State. Benue State is the food basket of this country. Today, our farmers in Benue State don't go to farm again because of insecurity. I will make sure security returns to Benue State. Also, I promise you by the grace of God, the issue of unemployment of our young men and women will be a thing of the past. And that is why in my policy document, I said we are going to allocate $10 billion to empower our young men and women with enterprises. Make sure that you don't go and make a mistake of voting for APC and return them to power again. You know what we have done between 1999 and 2015. We brought prosperity, we brought jobs, we brought peace to this country. We have the experience to repeat those feats again. So I want to appeal to you to make sure you vote for PDP in the forthcoming elections. Let me also assure you that the infrastructural deficit you are facing in this state in terms of your connectivity with other neighboring states will be a thing of the past, because we are going to make sure that we vote funding for development of both roads and railways to make sure our transportation system is once again working. You see, Benue State has been a gateway between the far north and the south. And that is why we have the railway line passing through Benue State. Today, that line is not working. I promise you that when you elect a PDP government, we shall reopen the railway lines. Let me again reassure you that the closure of our universities, because payment of salaries to members of staff is not forthcoming, will be a thing of the past. I stand here before you. I have a private university. We have never gone on strike for one day. So if a private university cannot go on strike for one day, why should a public university go on strike? I promise you, ASU will no longer be on strike, because we will pay them and we will fund the education sector adequately. So Benue people, don't make the mistake of voting for APC again. I want to thank you very much indeed on behalf of PDP. God bless you. We thank you for staying here all day to listen to us. PDP! PDP! Please, if you know honestly you are going to vote for PDP, can you raise your hand?
Wow.
Oh my God. I love you all. God bless you. Thank you.